ultra-modern styling, the 90-degree single-handle bathroom faucet from Moen is a study in minimalism. Geometric forms, squared corners, and straight lines create an urban focal point for today's contemporary baths. The lever handle makes it easy to adjust water temperature, and the single hole mount creates a clean look customary in contemporary design. Like most Moen bathroom sink faucets, 90 degrees meets EPA WaterSense criteria, helping you save water without sacrificing performance. Bring a fully coordinated look to your bath with matching shower faucets and accessories. The 90-degree bathroom faucet from Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.